Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
everyone.
evening, Ravin sir.
Good evening, Ravin sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, Ram sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Okay. So
Good
good
evening,
evening, all
Ravi,
of
sir.
you. Yeah, good evening, Hemana. So yeah, now let me today session because today's session is very important because now I would like mention very good things. It means it is relative to our mind working process. Okay, mind working process because means I know every people's they have a little bit knowledge, but they have no too much knowledge about my working my mind working process. So I think it is a very important thing because mostly successful persons they used to proper our mind. My mind means my mind divided two parts. Okay, first part conscious mind and second subconscious mind. So whenever firstly I talking about the conscious mind. Conscious mind they are working like a means whenever I feel hungry, so that time they give up. Yeah, means means you need some foods. This type thinking. Oh yeah, whenever I feel like sleepy, so that time they give up. Yeah, means you need food. You go to sleeping. This type thinking they are working means subconscious mind. Okay, and whenever we talk about it, subconscious mind. So I think it is a very different means parts of our mind, but it is a very important things because here we talking about it our subconscious mind 100% because I read hundreds of successful person biography and I read one book means power of subconscious mind written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. In this book I got lots of good things how to use our properly subconscious mind because it is a very necessary and very important thing. Anybody they want to become something in our life, so first of all you should develop our thinking and you should use proper our subconscious mind. Okay, without use subconscious mind we can't achieve anything in our life because here I would like mention one thing. For example, you also can amazing our means my subconscious mind what are means types of do working. Okay, because every person they have a little bit knowledge but they cannot understood okay properly. So here everybody, for example, you think about it. Means for example you have a little bit work for tomorrow. Okay, so whenever you will go for sleeping, so before sleeping you can imagine, yeah, means tomorrow I will have a some little bit work, I have a little bit work. So that time you will you visualize before sleeping our mind, and 100% you said means yeah, you think about it, yeah, means tomorrow I will wake up 5 a.m., 6 a.m. this type thing. You visualize 4 years, 5, 6 times. And 101% that time you automatically you will wake up. So it is a quality means a quality to power of subconscious mind. Okay, are you got it? Here I would like mention
Yes,
people
sir.
think anybody they want to something in our life. So first of all you should develop our think process. You should develop use of subconscious mind properly, and after that you can do anything. And second thing, mostly people so they have a little bit knowledge about subconscious mind, but they do not proper use in this way. Why? Because it is a work. It is a connected different time. Means you work at different times. For example, mostly time I thinking means my thought process was coming my mind, and after that my mind work different types of thinking. Okay, but here need every person's first of all you change our thought process. Okay, you should change our thought process because my subconscious mind connect to my thought. Okay, my emotion. You also heard mostly time whenever you watch some video and as well as you read some good book and you met some successful person like a spiritual also. So every person's they told me, they give me same answer. Like if you want to become a something, so first of all you change our thought process. You never come in mind negative thought. You always time think about it. It means I am a happy, I have a lots of potential, I can do anything in our life. Okay, first things. And second, behind this reason, because whenever I visualize again and again according my goal. Yeah, I want to become a public speaker, I want to become a public speaker. So that's why your support, your means, because it is connect to your emotion. Emotion is connect to subconscious mind. Whenever means I think about it, again and again same thinking again and again, and 100% your subconscious mind release lots of good hormones, release lots of good material according means towards your goal, towards your means journey. So it is a very helpful means for your work. So here I would like to mention firstly, please everybody, they have a little bit knowledge, so please first of all you should use properly our subconscious mind, because it is a tremendous, they are working tremendous types. So here firstly, and second thing, mostly people's for example, mostly people think about it, yeah, means I have lots of doubt, I means I want to become something, but I have no idea how to overcome any difficulty and how to do this type thing. So here means you used to start proper subconscious mind. Here your subconscious mind, they give up automatically answer. For example, sometime means you remember some previous time something, okay, and now means you talking with buddy, otherwise you do any work, and means immediately you forget, okay, you forget. So yeah, means you think about it. Yeah, means I still remember, but now I'm forget. So you think about it little bit. You take only 5 years, 10 seconds, and automatically come in your mind. You can imagine. Mostly people can imagine. Just I thinking. Sometime, but means you have a good habits. First of all, that's why you can imagine, and after that, 100% you will achieve this type thinking. So thank you all of you, listen carefully, and anybody they have a question, so please you can ask them. Yeah.
Yes, Ravin sir, I have one question.
Yes, yes.
So what is difference of conscious mind and subconscious mind?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I am also mentioned, but I repeat. Okay. Where, for example, your question is means what is the differences conscious and subconscious mind. So here you listen carefully. My mind is divided two part. Okay, one part conscious mind and second subconscious mind. So means my conscious mind, they are working properly. Like whenever you feel hungry, okay, you feel hungry, so that time means your means conscious mind push up, yeah, you means you need some food, okay. So this type work do my conscious mind, okay, this type work do my conscious mind. Whenever you feel a little bit too cold, okay, so that time work means give up message your subconscious mind. Feeling any type feeling like hungry, cold, hot, means good, this type feelings you get, and so that time it means your conscious mind handle all kind of activity, okay. And whenever you think about it, our means emotionally like mostly time you know heard like visualization, imagination. Some people, so they also, some sexual persons, they every time they give up to only one thing. If you want to become a something, so first of all everything you visualize, you will visualize according our goal. Yeah, I want to become a something and I have a means good potential according my goal. So this time working means do my conscious subconscious mind, okay.
Yes, Ravin sir. One more question, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to convert conscious mind, subconscious mind to conscious mind?
Yeah. Yeah, Silence sir, it is a very good question, because mostly people means they have no idea. So here need you should our thinking process. Okay, because mostly time I have a negative thoughts, I have a lots of wastage material in my mind. Okay, so first of all we should our thinking process. Okay, and after that whenever you should our thinking process, and after that your thinking means you have a lots of good positive thoughts. Okay, and if your emotion, your thoughts is right according to your means goal, so 100% you started used to properly our subconscious mind. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Anybody means Hema?
Hello.
Hello, Raman sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Pawan, you have any question?
Yes, sir. How can we use power of unconscious mind?
Yeah. So it is me. I also mentioned, yeah, but I repeat means according to your question. Yeah, here only one thing means Pavan. First of all, you sort our thinking process. Okay, and you make a such a good habits. Okay, because anybody they want to become a something, and they also think about it. It means I do only I follow such a good habits only 2 days, 3 days. So I think it is not sufficient. You should do I think at least 21 days, and after that means you get result, and you used to properly our subconscious mind. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Jiten.
Yes, sir. Today I was a little bit late, sir, because I was there
Okay.
in Sailesh sir class. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. No issue, Jiten Pradhan, because today is a Saturday, so means I mentioned very good point like how to use properly our subconscious mind. So if you have any questions, so please you can ask.
Sir, regarding conscious mind, I don't have any question, but sir, I want to ask a question about sir procrastination.
Okay.
You also said in our group also. Yes, sir. How to avoid it, sir?
Okay. Yeah. So if you face a problem like a procrastination also related to means bad habits. Okay. Procrastination is a very bad thing because most for example, some persons they want to become a success in our life. Okay, and some persons they want to make a good body. Okay, a good personality, and they take action. Okay, and after that they think about it. Means tomorrow means 100% definitely I will go gym for workout. Okay, and whenever we woke up early means tomorrow they will woke up, and after that yeah means 100% next day I will means go gym for my work. So this type person call it to procrastination person. Okay, so how to means how to overcome this bad habits. So firstly you set a little short goal. Okay, like if you means if you want to become a leader in our life, so first of all you set a short term goal. Short term goals like within one week, within 1 month, and 2 months, and 3 months. So whenever people they choose a short term goal, and because myself every time they want to reward. Okay, because whenever people they say they have a goal, they want to become a public speaker, they want to become a businessman. So I think it is a all these are long term goals. So while journey means during working, people so they know they do not like they do not get some good feelings, some good rest, and after that they think about it. I think my work is not good, so they started procrastination. Procrastination means talam tamoli. So mostly people so here need every person this should means develop good habits like according our goal. So you have a short term goal, and for example you means you set 1 day goal. Okay, tomorrow I will means do this type of work. Okay, so firstly for example you do means you set goal within 1 week. within 1 week I have a complete means one book. I means I will read one book. Okay, so this type goal you set, and 100% you overcome procrastination.
Yes, sir. Very well said, sir.
Thank
I
you.
also appreciate with you. But sir, sometimes what happens, sir?
Yes, sir.
I also make goals and a clear goal also. I make best plans to do. But what happens? I also do it, sir. But after few days or maybe few times, I feel like bored sometimes. So I also take. I want to take. I mean, you know, sir, our mind wants pleasure every time, right, sir?
Yes,
Whatever we do, first our mind wants pleasure. So when I enjoy my work, that time I don't have any problem to do that. But sometimes I was get bored. At that time I want to, I mean, avoid to that to do that thing. You know, those things will definitely helpful for me. But at that time I feel like bored and I don't um, see the future goal. I mean, at the time
Yeah.
I also I just saw the only present, you know, present result.
Yeah.
So that I just stuck with that and just avoid that action.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, yeah, definitely, because our self, our means thinking every time they want to means something special, something feeling good. So here I would like mention a second thing. You want to overcome easily procrastination, and you want to use proper subconscious mind. So I think here need you first of all you set a short term goal. Okay, and second thing you choose right way, right pathway, right book, right thinking behind this reason. Because if you choose a right book, like interesting book, okay, for example, if you read if you want to read any book, so for example, you are interested sportman, you are interested means psychology of money, psychology and other things, so you prepare only this type of. After that, whenever you started reading, and 100% you will give up 100% focus. So it is also very good things. Yeah. And second thing, yeah. Anybody have any questions? So you can ask. Pavan, Hema,
Yes, sir.
Hema, you have any question?
Yes, sir. Sir, sometime we feel about ourselves, and we feel hate ourselves because in our past we did something, we did that work that we thought it was not right, it was wrong. In that condition, what should we do?
Yeah, yeah. So, Hema, it means it is a normal thinking, because whenever means you like firstly you think about it because you want to become a something in our life. Okay, so while journey, every no, I think I read hundreds of successful person biography, and I have a complete 10 to 12 book. In this book and in this biography, I observed and I learned and I got lots of good things, good point. Because you told me sometime I get head, I means I get different type of feeling. So it is a normal thing, part of life. You accept it. You means you need use means firstly you accept it. Any problem means while working during journey, because your goal huge, okay, your goal massive, you want to become a something, you want to become a leader. So first of all you analyze ourselves. Yeah, my goal is big, so it is a part of life. Okay, you accept it. You don't think about it. It is a problem, it is a different thing. You accept it, it is a challenge. Okay, so it is a means opportunity, doesn't matter. Anybody they told me, and any types of problem create. So it is our responsibility, because means I commitment ourselves. I want to become a something, I want to become a legendary person. So it is our responsibility while journey during work. they get nervousness, they get frustration, they get, so it is means you have a good idea and you have means you commitment ourselves 100%. You but you should about thinking is a very good thing, because mostly time you have a positive thoughts and you face any type of problem 100%. You firstly you can solve it, and you now means you have an idea, so you take some suggestion, and after that 100% you form means particular result in this. Okay, Emma, are you got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for suggestion me.
Okay. Nidhi also here, Nidhi?
Yes.
Yeah, Nidhi, you have any questions? Please you can ask.
Yes, sir. So how can we get off negative thoughts?
Okay, yeah. Yeah, Nidhi, your question is very good, because mostly people, they have lots of negative thoughts. So firstly, you means you choose right pathway. Okay, because mostly people, they used to procrastination. Okay, and they never do proper work. Okay, they never do proper work. So it is a main thing. First of all, firstly, you should make a such a good habits, like a you should make a means properly according your work timetable. It is a very important thing, because you have a this type thinking, you 100% means you have a you easily overcome negativity. For example, you want to become a something, and so you firstly you woke up early morning, and after that you do little bit physical activity, and you do you read newspaper, and this type timetable you make a 100%, so never means get a negative thoughts. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay. So all of you, and thank you all of you. Listen carefully. Means I hope I got at some point. And second thing, I would like to mention, every persons, they have a good idea, they have a good thing, but until unless you apply in our life, and after that you will not anything in our life. Firstly, you implement is a very important, sir. Okay, so any means you have any idea, you take a good information, but until unless you apply in our daily life, you implement our life, and after that you will got good result. Okay, so implementation is a very good thing. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye.